Hello everyone, I'm with Group 4 and there's a wealth of resources online to help you aid in determining a starting point to organize your course. It is important to remember that online learning comes with a great course design. Course Redesign Institute regular program here at CCBC is essential in preparing for an online or hybrid course. It allows for course mapping, alignment of your objectives to activities, just to name a few. We all know what goes into an online or blended course, but it is the engagement factor that excels our students. There are many steps to begin in looking for resources for online. And after reviewing the information from ACU, there's a lot of take-home points to look at, but the ones that kind of resonated with me was that we always need to work backwards and ask ourselves this one question first. What do students need to learn? How can they learn by achieving higher order thinking? And also the second most important thing is to never settle for less, to ask the students to achieve at a higher level, and they won't disappoint you, that's for sure. Also, I went on and I tried to find a resource that was in addition to different from the ACU course. And I found a great resource, which I'll place up here and share with all of you, which was Designing an Online Course by Mesa Community College in Arizona. It was really informative, and I thought was a great resource. So I'm going to add that. And then another resource that you can also look towards is TED Talk, which I think that you can use with your students a lot. Thank you.